Hey there, Frank here from WB Tool News. Whether it's cold outside or you're in a generally cold place, it can be tough to keep the warmth in your hands. That's why today we're grabbing your attention with Grabber's hand warmers. Grabber's hand warmers are amazing. Anyone can use them. They're especially great for folks working outdoors for extended periods of time or people enjoying recreational outdoor activities. Folks maybe in cold offices and anybody needing a little bit of extra warmth. Still not convinced these are what you're looking for? Then let me tell you about their ease of use, their reliability, and their safety. First off, they are super easy to use. All you gotta do is rip off the packaging and pull them out. They are air activated, which I understand is a common misconception. People are often thinking you gotta slap them, you gotta shake them, you gotta knead them. No, not with Grabber's hand warmers. With these, all you gotta do is pull them out, let them interact with the air, and they're good to go. Second, these are super reliable. You're gonna feel that warmth within the first minute, and you're gonna feel its peak temperatures in 15 to 30 minutes. Also, they will last for 7 hours. That's a really long time. That's like your whole work shift, basically. Another important point is, how long do these last? Typically, these will last you 4 years, which may be important if you're planning to put these in a survival kit. Now that's enough talk from me. Let's crack these open and see what they look like. And here we are. Beautiful, nice, sleek packaging. You'll notice here that there's actually an indentation. That's because the vacuum packaging keeps them separated. So you can cut down here with some scissors if you only want one, and you can rip open one if that's all you need. You'll have a second one on hand. Excuse the pun. All right, let's just rip it open here and see what we got. This is what they look like. Now, you'll notice that there's no particulates coming out. It's not making a mess. Now that is perfect if you don't want a mess in your gloves or your pockets. And there's no smell, which is great if you don't want your pockets and gloves to smell. Whoa, look at that. Well, you can't tell, but it is getting toasty already. Excellent. Well, you know I think that these are awesome, but tell us, what do you think? Have you used them before? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell for notifications on future videos. Yeah, what do you think of these hot bags? Ooh, gosh, oh my God! Just kidding. That's it for me. Take care.